Okay, here we go. We stopped in our last video forming our hypothesis about what's going to happen at 10 degrees, and then what's going to happen at 30 degrees, and then what's going to happen at 45 degrees. So if we look at our graph here, based on the line, the trajectory of the line, we should just continue to go straight out, okay? Forever and ever and ever, okay? And so intuitively, we could say that this is incorrect, but let's go ahead and grab some numbers. So what you'll need to do is go back into the site here. And you want to go and get this video. So if I select on this video, it's basically you didn't copy this over. I just developed it. So you'll see this video here, and it's alternative hypothesis. So you want to go ahead and download this video. I've already downloaded it. I'm going to go into video physics. And I've renamed it. It's called Alternative Hypothesis. I'm supposed to put Brass and Eric at the end, but I've not done that yet. So let's just let it load up. Okay, here we go. So this is at 10 degrees. So I want to show you, kind of give you a little idea. This video is 1 minute and 33 seconds long, but there's actually 3 data sets that you're going to pull out of here. So this is at 10 degrees. Okay, you'll see that I'm firing at 10, and then we have one at 30 degrees. And you'll notice that I'm giving you the heights and all of that stuff, so we'll put that information in as well. And then we have one more. It's going to be at 45 degrees here. So if I slide in, it's not quite 45 like I thought, but can't really tell until you magnify it. Okay, and I'm giving you guys the measurements there, the height measurements. We'll talk about that. Okay, and we'll do these. Cool beans. So, first thing we want to do, in other words, we'll probably have to use this video 3 times. So that means that I should have saved it to my, what do you call it? My photos. That way I could bring it over 3 times. Okay, so because we're going to have to set our origin and scale 3 different times. So this is the first time. Okay, and I'm going to go between 20 and 30 here. We see our angle. Our angle is 10. Just going to play this. And I'm going to write down my height there for 10 degrees. At 10 degrees, I have 10.571 that's 105.71 millimeters. So that's going to end up being 0.10571 meters. And this is going to be our y displacement. So that's our delta y at an angle of 10 degrees. So my suggestion is that you write that down. You know it's at that angle. And also, we need to change this to 0.1. So our origin and scale, they're set. Let me go back a little bit. Well, you could just take a snapshot of this. And in fact, let me go back to experiments and change my name here. Put in Brass. And then Eric. All right. So now we'll be able to see all of that. I'll take a snapshot of that. Oh no, I need the origin and scale. Take a snapshot of this one. All right, looks good, looks good. We have the angle on here. We have our origin set. We have our scale set. And just gonna go ahead and play this. Actually, I just want to scrub forward. And I want to get to this point where I'm firing the balls. So I need to select on points, pause that, frame back a little bit because I did edit this, so we can go a little bit faster than we've been going. And we can actually see the ball here. So if you look, I'm trying to put, I probably should go back here. If you look here, I should put my, I'm planning on putting my top reticle line here, for the vertical, in the V here. And so let me just get rid of this point, delete this, and then I'm going to place this right here. Seems as though it should go down a little bit further. I'm going to go to the bottom. I'm going to go to the bottom of the shadow. Okay. So let me frame forward. That was the first shot. Here's the second one. So I'm just going to go back here, tap. As you can see, we're getting close here again. Same thing. Pretty consistent here. Except that my hand is in the way again. So we're getting some nice streaks, good data, nice clusters. Now I can actually see it emanate from the mini launcher. I didn't get a chance to get that one. I have to eliminate that point. Excuse me. Didn't even see where that one landed. I may have cut the video off too short. Yeah, there we go. We have a nice one there. So that's the end of this video. When we come back, we'll look at the 30 degree. So we at least have this data.